Yo, what's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to fix Apple CarPlay not working. So first thing, gonna make sure it's enabled in settings. So you're gonna go to settings, general CarPlay, and make sure it's on. And you're gonna make sure that it's allowed in the screen time. So you're gonna go to settings, screen time, and content and privacy restrictions. So make sure it's allowed. So after that, you're gonna make sure Siri is enabled. You're gonna go to settings, Siri, and search, and make sure these options are enabled. Listen for Hey Siri, press side button for Siri, and allow Siri when locked. So the allow Siri when locked is the most often problematic when it's turned off. And after that, you're gonna make sure CarPlay is enabled when locked. So you're gonna go to settings, general CarPlay, and allow it when locked. If you're not connected wirelessly, if you have a wire, you're gonna make sure it's working properly and it's not damaged or something. So you're gonna make sure you are connected to the right port, of course. So if your car has Bluetooth connection, you're gonna make sure that your phone has Bluetooth on and working properly. And if it still doesn't work, you're gonna restart your phone and make sure your phone is fully updated, up to date. Now you're gonna try to forget and re-establish your car connection. So we're gonna go to settings, general, and then CarPlay. After that, you're gonna find your car and then forget this car. Restart your vehicle and your iPhone and try again. If your car supports wireless connection, you're gonna go to settings, general, CarPlay, and available cars to select the car to create the connection from settings. So if you still have the trouble, you're gonna contact Apple for support. So that is it.